Ladies and gentlemen, top of the morning to you and welcome aboard. In command of our flight is Alex Hammersmith, who has given us a flight time of 15 minutes to the Piarco International Airport. Civil aviation regulations require that passengers comply with the safety information. Safety procedures, we ask that you give us your full attention. Please fasten your seatbelts now. To do this, insert the flat metal tongue into the buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top of the buckle and pull apart. In preparation for takeoff, bring your chair to the upright position and store your tray table. Open your window shades, put your armrest down. Please observe the fasten seatbelt and no smoking signs. Blankets must not be used at this time. The emergency exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. There are 4 doors on the Boeing 737, 2 on either side of the aircraft, each equipped with an evacuation slide which inflates automatically. There are also 4 windows.